Mastering coordinating conjunctions, connecting words and phrases. Hello, language learners. Welcome to our lesson on mastering coordinating conjunctions, connecting words and phrases. Today, we're going to delve into the use of coordinating conjunctions in English language, which is an integral part of constructing fluent and meaningful sentences. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use these essential tools to smoothly connect your thoughts and ideas in English. Let's start with a simple question. What are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions are words that join together elements of equal grammatical rank, such as words, phrases, or clauses. They're like the glue that holds your sentences together, making your ideas flow smoothly. In English, the most commonly used coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. An easy way to remember these is by using the acronym FANBOYS. Now that we know what coordinating conjunctions are, let's move on to how to use them. Generally, coordinating conjunctions can be used in three main ways: to connect words, to connect phrases, and to connect clauses. For instance, when connecting words we might say, I like apples and oranges. In this sentence, and is our coordinating conjunction. When connecting phrases, we can use coordinating conjunctions like so. I was tired, but I still went to the gym. Here, but is acting as our conjunction, connecting two phrases together. Lastly, when connecting clauses, we might use a sentence like, she wanted to play outside, so she finished her homework early. In this example, so is the conjunction linking the two clauses together. Now that we understand the usage, let's dive into some specific examples for each conjunction in the FANBOYS acronym. 1. For, I go to the gym daily, for I want to stay fit. 2. And, he bought apples and oranges from the market. 3. Nor, I don't like tea, nor do I like coffee. 4. But, it's raining outside, but I still have to go to work. 5. Or, you can have cake or cookies for dessert. 6. Yet, she's very tired, yet she continues to work. 7. So, I was hungry, so I made a sandwich. We've covered a lot in today's video. Remember, using coordinating conjunctions effectively will greatly improve your fluency in English. So keep practicing. Use them in your daily English writing and conversations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through English grammar. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we can't wait to see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!